Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can connect your domain with Shopify. So the process is similar for any domain provider, whether you purchase it from Namecheap, GoDaddy, or any domain provider you want. The steps are similar, so you don't have to panic or read the complex tutorial because there are just two things that you have to change for it. I personally recommend Namecheap because for most of my domains and the hosting for business websites, I prefer Namecheap, and I will try my best to leave the description of Namecheap in the comments below or in the description of this video. Okay, so you can purchase it from here, any domain provider you want. So as I'm comfortable with Namecheap, I'm explaining the procedure for it in this video. But if you're comfortable with GoDaddy, you can go for it. Another thing, if you don't want to go for any service provider, you can also purchase domains from Shopify directly. And I will also show you in this tutorial. But the process is similar for all. Okay, so this is the domain that I've purchased from Namecheap. Its name is ahmedmustafa.com, and what you have to do, the you have to follow the steps accordingly that I will tell you. You just have to click on settings, okay, and then you have to click on domains. Okay, so there is buy new domain. If you click on buy new domain, it will redirect you to Shopify to buy the domain, and you can purchase the domain, and the process will be very simple. But that I can explain in another video. But for this video I will explain the issues that people face while connecting with the third party domain provider. Okay, so this process is much simpler. If you click on buy domain, it will you will search for a domain, and then you will buy the integration would be very simple. If you purchase it directly from Shopify, there would be no hassle at all, and you can create the emails and all the other stuffs really easily. I'm talking about the custom emails. Okay, like if I purchase the domain ahmedmustafa.com, and I want to purchase the email like info at the rate of ahmedmustafa.com, it's very simple if you purchase it from Shopify. But let's stick to the domain connection. Okay, so you have to click on domains, and then click on third party domains, like, okay, and then you have to click on connect existing domains. You just have to type the name ahmedmujtaba.com. Okay, I haven't done anything in Namecheap yet. Okay, I'm just typing the domain name, click on next, and it will verify the connection. It says that you log into Namecheap and then update DNS records from here. So the main thing is that in any domain provider, you will find these settings in the advanced DNS or DNS settings. You have to search for the option which says the type A, and you have to replace the current records with these records, with Shopify records. Okay, so it will work for any domain provider you want. You have to just click on the DNS management, and you will find the records A name and C name records there. Okay, you just have to change the current value, as you can see here, with the new value. For example, it has shown that the current value in Namecheap is 192.64.119.182. So you have to replace the value with this new value, and the current value is parkingpage.namecheap.com. You have to replace it with this one. That's it. That you don't have to replace any other thing. If the TTL is different, you have to change it also. So you don't have to log into Namecheap. It's not necessary at all. Okay, but let me show you how you can do it. So this is the Namecheap, and I'm open my domains. I have to click on manage. This is the domain evanmustafa.com. Click on manage, and make sure this option is checked. Let me show you the main option. Make sure Namecheap basic DNS is checked. Otherwise, you will not see the option that I'm showing you in the next step. Make sure that the name server is not custom DNS. Okay, you have to click on Namecheap basic DNS. Again, click on advanced DNS. Okay, and the Namecheap has provided the option to select the Shopify template. Okay, and just click on Shopify, and that's it. The domain process is done. It will give you a warning if you are trying to change the records, and you have to verify whether the records are updated correctly or not. Okay, as you can see, the records are updated correctly automatically. So as you can see, the a record, the host is at the read ttl is like automatic, that's not a problem, it doesn't matter. And then the value is same 23.2 to 7.38.65, and the value for www is also similar, so ttl is automatic, it doesn't matter. So the Namecheap has done this thing automatically for us. If you're using any other domain provider, you have to change these values. As you can see, this was the current value, it will detect the values automatically. So you have to replace this, just replace the values, like I have replaced this value, and Namecheap has done it automatically for me in for Shopify. And then also for the current value, if you have seen any other value for www, you have to replace it for with shops.myshopify.com. Okay, so that's how the things are done. We have done with the changing of thing, and you have to click on I updated DNS records. Okay, so it will take some time, mostly it does it in a few minutes, the things are done. But if it takes some time, you don't have to panic, it can take some hours in some cases. So it has shown ahmedmushfiq.com ssl pending, it will be resolved, no problem. Verifying, it is verifying whether the current records are matched or not. We have to just refresh this thing. So I'm not pausing the video, just to show you if the things are done correctly or not. And as you can see, the domain has been corrected successfully, no problem at all. So we have done with the domain. There are some other settings, you can change the tts txt record, but that's not necessary. It is recommended by Namecheap. If you type in Google connect Namecheap domain with Shopify, it shows some additional settings as well, but they are not necessary. Okay, so you have done all the steps that were required. Okay, so the domain is connected successfully. Let me show you in a guest profile, Ahmad Mustafa, because for testing, profile is recommended. So as you can see, it is directed to Shopify, that's it. So we have done with the domain connection, and it works similar, trust me, it works similar for any domain provider. You can connect any domain, purchase from GoDaddy, purchase from any other domain provider through this method. Okay, so that's it. I hope the things are clear. If you have any query, you can leave the comments. Thank you very much, and let's see you in the next video.